friends. Welcome to the Pizzeria at Blueberry Lane. Today we're going to be fixing pizzas for our customer. Here's the first customer, and she says she would like a veggie pizza. So she wants all of the toppings except for meat. Let's get it ready. Okay, let's take a look at all the toppings we have here. First, we have our bell peppers. We have yellow, orange, green, and red. Next, we have some broccoli. And here we have some onions. Some tomatoes. Some tomato sauce. Cheese for our pizza. Mushrooms. Black olives. And pepperoni. Now, she said she wants a veggie pizza, so she doesn't want any meat on the pizza. Let's set aside this pepperoni. We won't need this time. All right, here's our pizza crust, which is the perfect base for the rest of our pizza. Next, we're going to add some tomato sauce. Here we go, just like that. Tomato sauce is made from tomatoes, of course. Did you know tomatoes are actually a fruit? And they're a fruit because they have seeds on the inside. Next, we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. Here we go, just like that. And a little bit of cheese here. And a little bit of cheese there. I love cheese. What's next? Let's put on some of these onions. Just like this. Onions, we're gonna put them evenly on the pizza. Onions give a pizza great flavor. And we can follow that up with some tomatoes. Here we go. They help add color to the pizza. Yes. Next, we have some, what about the bell peppers? Should we add all the colors? I think we should. We have, whoops, one got away. We have orange, red, yellow, and green. So they're called peppers, but they're not actually spicy. Red peppers and orange peppers are even a little bit sweet. All right, what do we want to add next? Let's see. Ooh, I want to add some broccoli next. I love its bright green color, and it's a healthy food that is good for you. Let's put broccoli on the pizza. It's perfect because it's a vegetable, and she wants a veggie pizza. What do we have left? Ooh, olives. These are black olives, but did you know olives can be green? Or some even have a dark purple color? Also, olives are typically pretty salty, so some people like them and some people don't. Last but not least, we have these mushrooms. Here we go. A lot of people like mushrooms on their pizza. Did you know mushrooms are high in vitamin D and they're good for your brain? But be careful, because not all mushrooms are edible, which means some you shouldn't or cannot eat. Always check with an adult before eating a mushroom and only eat the kind you find in the store. There! Our vegetable pizza is complete. Let's get our pizza in the oven. There we go. Pizza's ready. Let's get this out and into the box for our customer. Let's put it in the box and give it to our customer. All right, here is our pizza box. Let's put the pizza inside. It looks delicious and it smells great. Let's bring up this pizza. This pizza cost $5, and our customer gave us a $5 bill, so that's perfect. Thank you. Enjoy your pizza.